In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link Google Calendar to Slack so you can get meeting reminders, schedule updates, and stay on top of your events without ever leaving Slack. This is perfect for teams, remote workers, and anyone who lives inside Slack all day. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Calendar fully integrated and working. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Slack and make sure you're on your workspace homepage. You can do this either in your browser or in the Slack desktop app. Once you're inside Slack, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you see the More option, then click on it. This opens additional settings and tools available in Slack. From the More menu, click on Apps. This is where Slack integrations and extensions live. After clicking Apps, look for the option that says Open in Slack Marketplace and click on that. This will take you to the Slack App Marketplace, where you can browse and install apps that connect with Slack. Once you're in the Slack Marketplace, click on the search bar at the top and type in Google. You'll see a list of Google-related apps appear. From that list, find and click on Google Calendar. Make sure you're selecting the official Google Calendar app. Now that you're on the Google Calendar app page, click the Add to Slack button. Slack will now walk you through the permission and authorization process. This step is important, so take a moment to review the permissions being requested. These permissions allow Google Calendar to send notifications, reminders, and updates directly into Slack. After reviewing the permissions, click Allow. At this point, you may be asked to sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you sign in with the Google account that you want to link to Slack. Once you complete this step, the integration will be successfully installed. After Google Calendar is connected, you can customize how it works inside Slack. You'll start receiving notifications for upcoming meetings, event changes, and daily schedules depending on your settings. You can also use Slack commands to check your schedule or create events directly from Slack, which saves a ton of time. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Calendar to Slack. This small setup can make a big difference in staying organized and never missing important meetings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.